Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's little short video is we're going to talk about making a double flare brake line. Now, if you've been thinking about doing your own brakes, it's not really trying to focus too well, is it? There we go. The key is you need to make a good double flare. If you can't make a good double flare, your brakes are going to leak and you could get into an accident or probably kill yourself. So if you don't feel comfortable or feel like don't taking the risk, I highly suggest you don't. But in order to make a double flare, of course, you're going to need a kit. I got a kit right here I purchased a few years ago. Now, I found that the actual flaring part of the kit is not that great, but it's good for the dies. So I went out and I purchased this Ridgid flaring tool kit, which works a heck of a lot better. So, essentially, a double flare is what it is. You're going to flare the tube twice. So this is a 3/16 tube. So what you're going to look at is your flaring die here. It's got all your sizes put out. So 3/16 is the one on the end. Now the first thing you got to do is set your depth. Now, I'm going to grab the 3/16 die right here, and it's two-stepped. So you want it, your height of your tube has to be the same height as your die as such. So once that is there, insert the die in there, grab your flaring tool, gonna center it, not tighten it. This is the most important part, is make sure this is tightened down tight. And the reason why I say that, because if it's not extremely tight, when you go to make your first flare, the tube is going to push out. For example, when your tube pushes out and you do a double flare, you end up with a flare that's like this, when it should be looking more like this. So now that we got this tight, you can see right there, we're all set up. Now you need to turn this into that flaring die touches the metal base right here. So all you gotta do is just turn this. Might take a little bit of muscle, right? So I bottomed out. And also what you want to look at before you release it is on the side here. So my tube did not slip at all. So I'm going to back this out. Back it out quite a bit because this piece has to come out. There, it just dropped out. So you can see in there, we're almost set. So now I'm just going to crank this in. You don't have to get too crazy with this. It's just turn it till it stops, and then that's it. And we're gonna spin this off. Gonna back this part off. We're gonna pull this out, and there you have it. There's our double flare. So I zoomed in on it right here so you guys can see the double flare. If you're thinking about doing a brake job, it does not hurt to grab some tube, some extra tube, and practice your flares before you do it for real. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Like I said, these kits are good just for the dies. But if you can somehow get your hands on a little bit more expensive kit with, this Ridgid one works really good. The problem I had with this one here is that you can never get it tight enough because of these side style clamps here. And that every time I try to flare, it just pushed through. So try to get this style here with the side so you can really tighten her up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to double flare tube. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.